cooking.
Like a pro.
Okay.
First off, peanut butter. But you start with 3 Oreos. Okay. Alright. And then jelly.
Grape.
Grape jelly.
Grape jelly.
Stop it. Oh, that shit's gross. Hey man, I call the one with more peanut butter on it. Alright. Ketchup.
Ketchup. Do a little extra for me. I'm hungry.
Alright, if you want a little extra.
That's not a little.
Alright. A1 steak sauce.
Just a bit.
Yeah, just a little,
Not too much.
Not too much. I call this one because it has a lot of peanut butter on it.
I call that one. That's the ketchup.
Kurtis gets that one. Syrup, my favorite.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Don't forget that. Did you hear that?
Alright. Cam, to make it slide down your throat a little easier.
Oh, add lots of milk. Don't hold that. Okay, I'm good. Last 2 ingredients.
No. Parmesan cheese.
Which is our last 3rd ingredient, like I said. Doesn't this look delicious?
Salt.
Don't hold back with that either. Okay, you can hold back a little bit.
Pepper.
Good.
Is our last one. Delicious. Alright. Now, here. Just stop.
First. Final result.
Alright.
Pull up to our faces so they can see us eat it. Pull up to our faces. Grab yours and... Contestant 1. You can do it, Sam.
This is fucked up.
Now we're gonna get... Sick. Watch the grow.
Oh.
Nasty.
Fucking ham on there.
Here we go. I'm not even kidding. I gotta get my water ready.
Come up here, Curtis. Get up there. It's your turn.
Just wait. Almost done. Didn't gag.
And he swallows the whole thing. Alright, 3rd one.
The 3rd gagger.
Kurtis. Ready, Kurtis?
Yep. Okay.
Don't get it. Oh!
Oh man, he's puking. Oh shit.
Oh!
He's actually puking.
Oh! Who's the winner?